everyone, I said that at the end of this video you will understand why everyone can make money with Bitcoin just following one rule, so be sure to see this video till the end. And before we start, please pause the video, like and subscribe if you have not already done it. And let's start. Let's go to the main news to understand the logic of the first cryptocurrencies movement. Bitcoin has updated its price low since June. That means it's the best time to buy friends. The rate of the first cryptocurrency fell to $18.5 thousand. Over the last week, the asset has fallen by 27%. I was shocked. I think the price fall of the cryptocurrency accelerated last week, following a speech by one of the chairmen of the US Fed. Bitcoin technical picture has become worse. The situation in the cryptocurrency market is entirely dependent on the dynamic of the US stock indexes that crashed after Fed chief speech at the conference. Over the past 30 days, the correction between Bitcoin and the index is 0.77. The Fed is set to take control of inflation and ready to increase rates. One more negative factor has also emerged, which has negatively affected all risky assets in Asia. The Chinese authorities have imposed a lockdown due to the COVID-19. In the past 2 weeks, about 600 COVID-19 cases. 21 million residents will stay in their homes. Business will close. The Asian markets were followed by losses in the European markets. As a result, futures and Bitcoin fall down. The key events in September will be the US Fed meeting. Investors fear recession from a monetary policy by the US Fed. The more the indexes fall, the more Bitcoin fell down. Based on the economic news, I can confidently say that the market will not be calm in the next year. So guys, you have a real opportunity to start investing in cryptocurrency. These are very difficult times. Only the most patient can make money. Don't be an exception and get into the market now. If you don't know how to do it, or if you don't know what cryptocurrency is at all, you have to write me about it in comments. I will make a video for you. Let's start analyzing Bitcoin now. I'm sure you're waiting for a prediction from me, and I'll definitely give it to you. But I will ask you to check if you subscribe my channel. It's not add to it, it's not difficult for you, and it's very important for me. That way I'll know if you like my new videos format. So for Bitcoin, we see that the price has corrected a lot in the last 24 hours. So it turns out that about 7% due to recent events. But I'm happy that the price has consolidated on this particular position. Let me show it at least by the trend line. What is the position? That is, we see that here we have a very strong and very important support area. I'll show it. So it's approximately 3.5%. It means that from 18,000 to 18,700, we see that the price touched the area in June. So we see the tails of this candle. We understand that the price has settled down and there was no downward movement. But I personally see two thin areas. That is, we are going to have a small flat here now in any case. The first scenario is bearish. That is, if the price will fall below this boundary, it's $17,500. It's possible that it may fall to $16,500, the next strong support area. And then we're going to have a flat, out of which we're going to have a slow upside. So this is the first scenario that is likely to happen. Because we have a difficult situation in the world right now, as well as the actions of the Fed. And the second variant that is unlikely to we may exit this support area, and if we do that, we might get to the level of $19,500. So we have a chance to go out of the $20,000 level and get fixed this plus. If we do that, it's possible that the price will start to recover by the new year by $25,000. So we're looking at this big drop here, very strong. It's clear that the price has fallen almost twice. It has corrected, and it will probably take about a year to reach at least the $50,000 mark. So 50, so 1 second, so $50,000 is what we're interested in. I will say that the market will be bullish only when the price reaches at least $38,000. And it seems to me that will take about a year. In connection with this aviation and innovation of fats, so we have a very large time here that we finally got into this market, gained more positions at such a good price. That is, we see that the price will not go better. It's unlikely. We see the next strong support area is 17.5, then 16,200, but I think the price will most likely correct. So we will still have an opportunity to buy more profitable. Not that now. But in any case, $20,000 was a good price. That is approximately here in this position we will overcome the historical maximum of Bitcoin. There is still a lot of time. I think you enjoyed my videos, and if so, please give me some feedback. And if you have any questions, you can tell me, and I try to answer them all. And thanks for watching.